Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my journey. This is Muhammad Jihadul Islam in front of you. Basically, I am a first month student in English therapy and just 15 days fast. Basically, I am a madrasa background student. I studied in Qawmi Madrasa. So there are Qawmi Madrasa not available English book. I think when I admitted in English therapy, that time I thought I was a brilliant student in Qawmi Madrasa, and Alhamdulillah I achieved a lot of award. I joined it become before coming here also many English course, but they are not like this because the other course in other course I saw a lot student teacher, so much a teacher all time find out a brilliant student and all time take care him, but there are our teacher basically Shivat sir, he all time take care all student.